Hello and salutations. Welcome to my Defect run. We're trying something a little bit different today. I'm doing a little intro. Today's run features orbs, ice, and a giant orange cat. I hope you enjoy. Salutations, friends. Welcome to Zeal the Hermit's run of Slay the Spire. Today we are going to be doing a Defect run, as I've been defeated at Ascension 0 rather shamefully on the Silent, and I want to fill out my Defect list. Today's run, we will be joined with Wedge for a little while. This is Wedge and Kitties, and he is my giant orange boy who has decided that he is just cuddling today. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this run started. So I always enjoy the Defect. I really like if I can get some sort of frost run going with blizzard or that sort of thing, but we're going to see what happens. We get Niao's Lament because we haven't done this before. Let's see, we've got Hexaghost. How many elites can we fight? Looks like two elites. Let's go Path Shop Elite. I like the sound of that. You're just not going to be any help at all, are you? 11 gold. We start with an early Glacier. I like that. That's a sign of a good run. Dual cast kills both of them. I think we've got Glacier. I want Barrage. We're going to fill out those orb slots pretty quick. I don't think we need 2 Glaciers. That seems silly. Sweeping Beam? Sweeping Beam sounds good. Get a little card draw, a little AoE action. Our first real fight. 2 blocks and a zap. So far, so good. Glacier will evoke one of our orbs. So if you don't know, when you evoke an orb, you get the passive when they're sitting there and the evoke when they disappear out this side. Glacier will evoke this, doing 8 damage to the Slaver, giving us 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 block this turn. We evoke the Lightning Orb to do another 8 damage. We block, we do more damage. It just works out great. We barrage, 1 damage for each orb, we win. Yeah, we take fusion here. If I'm given a gold card on the 4th floor, I'm taking it. I want to remove... I think we can safely remove a strike. Maybe I should have grabbed the defragment. I think I'm going to take this blizzard too. We're going to be channeling a lot of frost orbs. Blizzard channel or evoke? Channeled. So we channel a lot of orbs, so hopefully we can get that working. Let's up Blizzard's damage here. We do Rainbow. So we're going to start building a Dark Orb so we can really bonk him with something. Yeah, so his Dark Order's going to hit him for 24, which I don't need to block this turn. We're going to keep scaling that. For the dual cast, Vajra synergizes well with our barrage. We have enough block. Does that mean we take a second barrage? I think we take a second barrage and look for some orb scaling. So I think I'm going to go for this campfire. Upgrade a barrage. Dreamcatcher's fine. Get another fight. I do like fights. Fights are where you get power from. Don't need to draw a card. Going pretty well here. I don't want another blizzard. A vulnerable would be nice. And I think that's going to be our damage for a minute. We're kind of chewing through guys. Pretty solid. Got a little bit of passive block against Gremlin Knob, the Great Run Ender. Sweeping Beam. Yep, I think I just hit him and take 14 to the chin, or 10 to the chin. So if I play any skills here, his damage is going to scale. So it's almost better just to take the 20 and kill him. Power cards upgraded on the Defect. That is phenomenal. This is a power-based character. And some card draw. So we are looking for extra orbs and energy. That is what we need in our lives right now. Not a great run there, but sometimes that's just how it goes. Killed the two that scale. And whatever, he's dead. I will take a fission. Then I will immediately upgrade a fission. Fission is basically worthless if you don't have it upgraded, and phenomenal if you have it upgraded, so. And then Meat on the Bone handles my healing problems. Hexagos's first attack will actually scale with your hit points, so the lower they are, the less damage it actually does, so I am not going to worry about resting. Pretty solid start there. Yeah, that blizzard is already starting to scale up. What are we doing? He just wants to snuggle with me today, apparently. Sorry, I'm being distracted by this boy. He is my favorite buddy. And he just wants to snuggle right now, so that's just what's going to happen. All right. We have 18 damage coming in. We basically block it. I'm not worried about it, so we are just going to hurt. Dark Orb coming in doing a bit of damage, and Blizzard starting to scale up rather nicely. It's not attacking his turn, so we are just going to barrage him. That's a solid Hexaghost fight. Didn't get any big hits here. I might go with Creative AI. Let's see what happens with that. Early Black Star. Sounds good. Where we going, bud? You done? Alright, everyone. Say goodbye to Wedge. He's leaving us for a bit. Let's see here. We have some gold. We want 2 elites. Can we do both? Yes. These guys are hitting me for 10. We want to try and knock this guy out of the air so he doesn't scale up. Not sure if we're going to manage that, though, because I don't want to take 10 damage. Yeah. We unfortunately do not manage that. Save me, Fission. Been over this. Well, let's not get hit for 12. Alright, now we have orbs. You don't need to scale again. No, we're not doing that. Thank you, though. We are taking entirely too much damage this fight, unfortunately. There we go, we got there. I do like a hologram. I think we're gonna go ahead and go with hologram there. We need energy and we need card draw. Well, we need energy. We have card draw. I'd love to remove a card from my deck. Look at that, we managed to block half of it. Like to see a mummy's hand, maybe? That would be nice. Bias Cognition's gonna go pretty hard here. Most of these fights are over before that becomes an issue. There we go. A cool-headed is great. More frost orbs, more card draw. It doesn't really solve the problem. But it's better than nothing. Oh, Snake Plant, you have ended many of my runs. Meat on the bone, though. That's going to help keep us healthy. Okay, we're in a pretty good place now. Especially with 2 defrags. Yeah, we're going to be okay. And Meat on the Bone brings us back up to about half, which is pretty good. Liquid Memories over 4 decks? I don't think so. Oh, maybe. Do I take Claw? Well, we take Go for the eyes for the weakness. Okay. Save me, Skim. Okay. 16. Blocking for 14. Yeah, I think we call that good. Oh, we're blocking for 8. Oh, yep. Thank you, Lightning Bolt. So it's going to hit the things that have the lowest AP. So if I evoke this if I dual cast this Dark Orb, it's going to kill both these dudes, which is perfect. Then we get our creative AI. Don't think bias cog. Not yet. Now we bias cog. Yeah, that Blizzard is going to put in some work. That weak pickup is already paying off. Solid. There's some energy. We've got an Orichalcum with the plated with the Frost Orbs. We are looking good. We take nothing here. Getting a bit of a machine going. Do I want a book? No. Yeah, look at that block. 26 block on turn 2. Then we get the Happy Flower. Heatsink's going to give an extra card per turn. I guess we're killing this guy. Draw some cards. Do we block some here? Probably should have. Okay, Meat on the Bone will save us. We believe in Meat on the Bone, and we trust Meat on the Bone. We don't have a ton of zero-cost cards. I think I do want to channel more Frost Orbs. Just for safety, I think we're going to rest after the last fight. FTL gets us through the deck. There's the creative AI. This deck is actually cooking along quite nicely at this point. Yeah, I think Pile Driver definitely gets us some card draw because of Rainbow. Order. But more of a mild order. Not a immense failure of an order. Start building up a Dark Orb. The Orichalcum plated armor combination, saving us any damage there. I will take a second hologram. That starting hand wasn't doing it. There we go. Okay, we're in a much better place now. Rainbow gave us the block there. Our next three cards are those. Yeah, so we can... that's hologram for another glacier. Then Fission. FTL. Oh, could have been cooler. And kill two. Look at that, I do know how to play the game sometimes. Yeah, we just hologram back Blizzard and win. And we are just actively trying to channel as many of those as we can at this point. And it costs 0 down here, it's kind of spicy. No, but I can get my glacier back. That combination just absolutely blocking everything. We'll just rainbow. Cool-headed. Defrag. Like, we're cooking now. We're gonna take a bit of damage here. Not too much, though. Right on the edge of meat on the bone range, so we're actually gonna come out of this ahead. I think if we're channeling Frost Orbs and Dark Orbs, I like the loop. We're not hurting on health, so we'll Smith. We will upgrade this cool-headed. Starting with the defrag just makes me happy. Forgot I had that. Block 14, so we play creative AI here. Which I think we creative AI into fission. Loop, and then hologram a beam cell? Sure. Now we cry. Reduce that damage. Cool-headed. Cold snap. We get hurt a little here. That's okay. Starting to scale into some extra orbs. Horn goes off, gives a bit of extra oomph. All right. Man, go for the eyes. I was torn between the claw, and I'm glad I made the right decision. It has saved us so much damage. You just go hologram the blizzard, right? How much is my blizzard doing right now? Not 25. Yep, that's about what I was hoping was going to happen. that, use that, take no damage from this guy. Yeah, we're kind of just on autopilot at this point. We're gonna hold that there until I get dual cast, I think is the play. Never mind. I think if we're running creative AI, I'm going to take an amplify. Oh, cracked core. That's beautiful. So now cracked core will always channel more frost, so we are always, if we have empty orb slots, we're always scaling Arc Blizzard. Let's see here. Both paths have a pair of elites on them. Let's go up, hit that shop in the middle. And then figure out what we're doing from there. Check this early shop. 290 gold, might as well. Let's see here. Channel a bit of armor so this guy doesn't ruin me. Go for the ISU, drop 10 damage on him. And creative AI. Oh, we're about to get hurt. Okay, beat on the boat range. That's okay. I forgot they exploded. Everything's fine. We're okay. I don't think I want any more cards in this deck. I would like a Doom and Gloom, but I don't want it. We're getting a little thick. I think we remove there. Spoon Bend for Fission and Rainbow? Do I have another shot coming up? I do. So we grab a sneaky heal before we continue on. No, I think I want Spoon. Incursion? No, I don't want any more cards. We're doing quite well. I say as we draw one of the worst possible hands we could have drawn. Cool. Oh yeah, this will take effect before the enemy hits, so it's just great all around. Channel a zap, block, no problems. This guy will scale up pretty quickly, so we do want to kill him with expediency. But we are also scaling our block fairly well, so I'm not super duper worried about it. I will take that focus potion. I will absolutely take this chill. Yep, that was pretty good. A heat sinks is very good. That helps get our draw going. We got energy, we've got draw. We're looking pretty good. Do we go for that elite? You know what? No. Love that. Okay, I guess I'm just blocking everything. Cool. Look at that big loop. Absolutely, just rolling in the block, rolling in the card draw. Maybe not rolling in the card draw. We could have better card draw, in all honesty. But it's workable. Damage is scaling. We're doing everything you want to do. Don't think we get through things quickly enough. But I like darkness. We're gonna grab one dark orb. And then we are gonna hit these 4 campfires up through here. Just going crazy with the upgrades. We'll hang out on 10 damage. That seems reasonable. So you want to be careful with your damage on this guy. You don't want to end up accidentally cursing yourself. That's just not the best. To be honest, I might slow roll this man a little bit. We have a lot of ability to block. And I think I might just slow roll this Dark Orb around until we win. Wait, if we go for the eyes. Perfect. Play skin. Damn. Don't need bias cock, but he sinks. As soon as I get... Yep, that's fine. He's dead. And that's why Darkness Orbs are good. Beam Cell upgrade is a gift that just keeps on giving. 2 turns of vulnerable for 0 is very good. Interact. Let's look at 2. Finesse is free. Finesse is free. I do believe we beat Big Giant Head here. Especially with the ability to put up 50 block, it means we can deal with him. We can deal with him after he gets kind of scary. I'm just absolutely cooking along here. Yeah, this is what we got the Darkness Orbs for, too, in fights like this, where we needed big hits of damage. Still good. Shoot, we can't actually... Yes, I can. Really hoping to be able to... Oh, we might still be able to get these. dual casted. At least one of them. Oh well. No dual casting this turn. 74 damage. Blizzard, though, is not... Oh. There's the dual cast. I can read. Oh, we actually take a little bit of damage here. But that's okay. We healed it right back up with meat on the bone. We have a lantern for more start of turn energy. I don't overly care. How many powers do I actually have in this deck? 2. Creative Eye. Yeah, we'll take Heat Sinks. Think we might actually heal going into this fight. Alright, let's see if we can beat Act 3. Great start with Creative AI, Chill, Skim. Oh my god. Loop, Defrag. More block. Drink the Power Potion. Drink the... Focus. And get the free electrodynamics. Wonderful. That's huge. Hologram? No, I don't think you are going to be doing that damage. Where's my go for these guys? I had intended this fight to be a electrodynamics fight, but I'm not mad about it either. Amplify Buffer. Vision. Chill. Yeah, we're just going crazy at this point. We're absolutely just going insane. Storm is gonna go nuts. Do want to kill them, though. They are scaling a bit quickly. Loop will help that scaling a little bit. Draw 10,000 cards. Yeah, we're starting to get to the point where we might take damage. Zap is going to put down him, though. blocked half of it. This is looking pretty solid. So friends, thank you for joining me. Yeah, and we ended how we started it. Thank you for joining on this defect run. It was a very successful one. Be good to each other, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a great one. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, whatever other YouTubers are telling you to do that with my videos. I greatly appreciate it. Have a good one.